Primark. If you guys are in Munich, make sure to go to the store. I was absolutely blown away with the prices. Okay, let me show you guys what I got. I'm gonna give you guys a haul, and you guys can tell me if it was worth it or if it was not worth it. I ended up buying so much stuff. It ended up being 151 euros, which is roughly 161 US dollars. That's what my bank charged me. If you guys are wondering what bank card, it was Apple. Okay, their credit card, by the way. Okay. So, first off, it's this jacket. It's super cute. It was only 42 euros. Now, I'm from North Carolina, so it does get really cold where I'm from. And, guys, every time I go into a store, I'm like, can you guys please make the sleeves soft like it is in the middle? And let me tell you, over here in Europe, the stores that I've been to already, all of them have the soft things in the sleeves. There's some that don't, but the majority of them do. Now, this is she. She's so cute. I freaking love her. I cannot wait to wear this. The material is like, I don't really know how to explain it. I have noticed that everything here, like the material is so much better than it is in America. But I love her. She's cute. They also have a lot of leather jackets here, like the very cute ones. I was gonna get one, but I was like, I have to like buy things for everyone else. Okay, so that's jacket one. This is jacket two. Okay, I know that in the video it's not gonna do it justice. Like the color, it's absolutely beautiful. It's only 40 euros. Again, the sleeves have, it's like, this is like blanket material. And it's all throughout the freaking jacket. I love it. It's so cute. This one I'm gonna need to buy like a whole new outfit for. But I'm fine with, because I honestly, I love going to shop. This is like giving me like Bratz vibes. Okay. So, everything else I'm just gonna show you guys. This I bought for my little niece. It's so cute. She loves Minnie Mouse. This was only 16 euros. Not too far off on prices, but I have noticed that the kids stuff has gone up in price. Even when I go to Ross, like an outfit like this is $69.99. So, roughly the same. Now these are leggings. I bought myself a pair and I bought my mom a pair. Now, these were 8 euros, and I'm gonna tell you why I was shocked. They have like the fur, like that blanket material I was talking about earlier. They have that inside of these. And me and mom get really cold. I just get cold in general. So I got myself a pair and I got my mom a pair. Now, this is what absolutely blew my mind. Pantyhose, leggings, you know. One pair in America is like $10. You get a 3-pack, for 5 euros. I bought 2 because I was like, these rip so easily. They should not be costing more than $10. America, get it together. Okay. So I've always wanted a beautiful like pajama set. So these are the pants. They're so freaking cute. It's like silk. These were only 13 euros. Super cute. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. They're like super light. It's what I wanted. And it came with a matching shirt. This was 13 euros. Again, America. The top and bottom should not be more than a $10 difference. This is only $1 difference. And it's so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's everything. That's all I got. Like I said, let me show you guys the receipt. I can find it. Alright, here it is. Now, the luggage was not included in this. The luggage, I had to pay for it separately when I realized that none of this is going to fit in my suitcase. So, here's the receipt. Even the receipt is super small for everything that I bought. Okay, so 151, and like I said, my bank charged me 161. I was like, even me buying a new luggage and buying all that stuff, I'm probably still saving money than if I were to buy all this in America. Which makes me kind of sad. But now I'm in Switzerland today. I'm gonna like I got here pretty late, so I literally did not have enough time to go to these stores. But I did have enough time to go to Zara. I only bought one thing though. So here, this was 40 in Switzerland currency, which I am forgetting at this moment. But in US dollars, it's 44. I'm pretty sure you can find this in America, but I saw it here. I was like, Zara is not near me. Like I said, I'm from North Carolina. The closest one is Georgia. And no, wait, I think there's one in Charlotte. I can't remember if there's one in Charlotte, but I live in Raleigh, so that's like a 2.5-hour drive. I'm not, you know. So I bought this. I'm probably gonna go back, just because I didn't have enough time to look at everything. I want to go into like the big stores, see if I can buy myself a wallet, small one, simple. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, and I hope you guys think that it was worth it. If you guys don't, I mean, just let me know why you guys don't think it is. I know that in Burlington, and there's actually a lot of sweaters right now that are like $50. So I understand if maybe y'all didn't think it was a steal, but I thought it was a steal for what I got, for having the fur in the sleeves, for having the fur and everything, and definitely think that the freaking stockings were a deal, but that's just my opinion. Let me know yours.